Hey, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. We renovate houses, and today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the Toro 60-volt battery power clear snowblower.
If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Clive?
We made another video where we reviewed the snowblower, and we'll put a link to that video right here.
All right, let's do some unboxing. We'll see what's in here. This is pretty heavy. It must be the battery itself, I assume. So there's the battery, Flex Force. All right, cool. So thought I was going to be spending some time putting everything together, but it looks like they've done that pretty much for us. The handle's even attached. So there it is, virtually fully assembled. I just got to attach the chute, get the handle all secured, and charge up the battery. All right, so the battery isn't charged when you first pull it out, so I'm gonna go charge that battery up. Okay, so this is the battery charger right there. This is the battery itself. It's got this little area back here that you will slide on to the charger right here. So we'll do that. Okay, so you can see as soon as we slid that on there, we're getting a blinking green light, which means that the battery is now charging, and it's going to turn to solid green when it's fully charged. And you're supposed to charge it 100% before you ever use it the first time. All right, so the handle assembly is very easy. Just flip it up and tighten. Okay, so the chute deflector gets installed by putting it over this little post here on this side, and then there's one on the other side right there. And once that's on there, you can adjust that up or down. This is the chute control rod, and to install it, the first thing we're going to do is push the handle forward. And then there's a little hole right there. And put the rod through there. And then we're going to keep pushing until it snaps into place. And look at that, it worked. So now if I want the chute to go left, I can turn the handle to the left. If I want the chute to go right, I can turn the handle to the right. So anyway, that seems very convenient. By standing behind it, just reach down, and then you can adjust the chute that way. Very cool. Well, I have to say that at least the unboxing and setup of this machine was super easy. Whole deal took just a couple of minutes. And so now we've got to wait for that battery to charge up and also wait for some snow. All right, well, hopefully you got some useful information out of this video. If you did, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that would help out our channel and we really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thank you very much for viewing, and we'll see you in this video.